everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing video for you guys, and this one's going to be exciting because this is a true unboxing. I actually bought this for myself from FASHIONPHILE. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen me like discuss and talk about this. But yeah, I'm really excited to see it for the first time on camera with you guys. I know this doesn't happen often, so I am just so excited. I'm gonna get straight into the unboxing and I'll let you guys know a little bit about why I purchased this item. It is kind of coming out of nowhere for me, but I think once I explain it to you guys, you will understand. However, before we get started, I just wanted to thank today's video sponsor, Ana Luisa. So Ana Luisa is a company that I've been working with for quite a while now. You guys know I love their jewelry pieces, and I'm especially excited for this one because they are actually having their Mother's Day sale right now. And as you guys know, this year I am finally a mom, a first-time mom. This video is coming to you pre-recorded, however, I'm currently pregnant right now, although at the time of this video, my baby will probably already be here. If you watch any of my other pre-recorded videos around this time, this will be no surprise to you. Side note, if you do want to catch up on my life and the baby, please go check out my Instagram. I also might update you guys here on YouTube for videos on Wednesday, so please go check that out if you want to know all about my baby and my life right now. But anyways, back on track. Ana Luisa is having their Mother's Day sale right now and I'm super excited. They sent me 3 jewelry pieces to share with you guys. This time around I tried to choose pieces that I thought were really unique to my collection and things that I don't really have yet. So I do have 2 rings to share with you. The first ring is this one right here and it is called the Paisley. It's just this beautiful gold band with a little accent in the middle. I love dainty jewelry like this. I'm not a huge fan of my fingers. I think they're like a little bit large. So whenever I do wear rings, I really like them to be like small and dainty like this one, so my fingers look like they're a little bit longer. Another reason why I wanted to try out their rings is because I love their quality so much. I've never had a piece like wear out. Because they are gold plated in recycled gold, I feel like the quality really lasts. So I'm excited to try this out knowing that even if I do wear it all the time, it'll still last me a really long time. The next ring that I wanted to show you is called the Laurel. It's got like a barbell kind of design, and I know this is not for everybody, but I honestly love things like this. It's a little bit edgy and you guys know that that is kind of my style. I also really do like the way that this one is open because like I was saying, I don't like super love the way my hands look. So I feel like with this open style ring, it doesn't like shorten my fingers at all, and I can even wear on like my pudgiest finger and I think it still looks really good. And then the last piece that I have to share with you is called the Sia Link earrings. I'm so happy with this one because this is an earring that you can wear with like 2 ear holes, and as you guys may have seen in the past, I do have like a couple of ear piercings on each ear. This one I also do think is a little bit edgy. I love the little safety pin look. I think it's so cool. I have other Ana Luisa earrings as well that are like safety pin shaped, and I don't know why. I just think it's like really cool. So if you are interested in any of these pieces or just want to check out Ana Luisa jewelry in general, I will put a link in the description down below. This is a great time to shop if you are looking for a present for Mother's Day. The sale that's going on right now is actually a buy one get one 40% off, so not only could you get something for your mom for Mother's Day, but you can also pick up something for yourself as well. You guys know that I'm not a stranger to buying things from me to me, and I really do think that you will love all of these items. Ana Luisa is such a great brand. They are working on sustainability. All of their packaging is shipped in recycled materials. All of their jewelry is made from recycled gold, and because of their vast selection of like rings, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, you'll definitely find something on the website that's suited for you or your loved ones. Thank you again so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out their link down below, and let's get back to the video. So here we have the box. I'm so excited. Like I said, I never get to like unbox like for real on this channel, and you guys see like my genuine reaction. I'm a little bit nervous for this because I've never seen this bag in person in this color, and it looks really nice online, but you guys know that online can be deceiving, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to react to it. Alright, so here is the FASHIONPHILE box, and it looks like the bag only comes with the FASHIONPHILE dust bag. Here it is. It is a decent size. I'm really happy about the size because I also, I've never tried this on in person, so I was a little bit worried that it was going to be like too large, but now seeing it like this, I'm like, okay. All right. I'm so excited. I should really try to wait to do unboxings like for real on camera more often. It's just normally that I don't have the patience for it. All right, so here we go. Oh, I'm not gonna look at it. Oh, I can feel it. Feels nice. Okay, so here we go. This is my brand new, to me, oh my gosh, Valentino Roman rock stud bag. Oh my god. Oh my god, the camera. Okay, so I was like looking at the viewfinder on the camera before I actually saw it like in person, and it looks so bright and beautiful on camera, and then you look at it in person, you're like, oh my god, it's very, very bright. This is probably the brightest pink bag that I've ever purchased. I mean, look at how Barbie pink this is. I think it's even brighter than this bag that I have, which is like currently the brightest pink that I have in my collection. I normally don't love a bright Barbie pink, but I don't know why. I think in this specific shade it looks really nice. It's not too much of like a purple undertone, and I think a lot of the like Barbie pinks are that way, which you guys know I love more of like an orange undertone, and this one definitely has that. So this is the medium size, I believe, and because I got it on FASHIONPHILE, it was like heavily discounted. I think this bag goes for about like 3,000 something normally, and I think that I paid about 2,000 something, so pretty decent amount of discount off. The way you open it is that you just turn the little twisty thing right here, and then it opens up like that. The strap is in here as well. So this is in lambskin leather, I believe. It definitely feels on par with the Chanel lambskin bags that I have. The inside just looks like this. There is one slip pocket, and then there is one zipper pocket as well, and it looks like FASHIONPHILE has also given me like the original things that came with the bag. So why on earth did I buy this bag? Well, it's because you guys know that I've been lusting after the Chanel 19 bag for quite a while now, but I've purchased one and ended up not keeping it because it wasn't the right color, and then things just kept happening where, I don't know, it just has never been the right color for me. With the right hardware and everything. Another example, you know, is like the Chanel 22 Cruise collection. They came out with like a really beautiful baby pink, but then for some reason they had silver hardware instead of gold hardware on the front, and I didn't like that. So with the Chanel one, I feel like I'm always going to be chasing it. Not to mention the fact that the price increases are so crazy now. I think the 19 bag is just, it's a little bit unobtainable in my opinion, and for a bag that I'm not sure I'm gonna love like forever and ever and ever, because it's really not a classic. I can't justify spending that amount of money on it. So I was looking through like Farfetch or something one day, and I saw that they had these like new Roman bags, and the color that drew my eye is like this really beautiful nude color, but you guys know that I'm not really like a nude bag kind of girl, so I wasn't sure about that. Plus like the new bags right now cost I think like $3,300, which was a little bit much, so that is why I decided to go looking on FASHIONPHILE to see if I could find one at a discount, and I came across this one. So yeah, I do believe that it has a similar style as the Chanel 19. It's got the like really big quilting. It's a flat bag, but at the same time it's a little bit more unique, obviously because of like the studs and stuff, but it really does give me like the exact same vibe as the Chanel 19. But let me know what you guys think. The great thing about FASHIONPHILE is that there is a 30-day money back guarantee, so you know I can play around with it, I can like style it and see if I really do like it, and you know if I don't I can obviously return it. But right now I'm thinking it is really cute. The only thing that would be stopping me is the color, so I'll have to, you know, try and style it with some of my outfits to see if the color will match. But yeah, overall I think this is really, really cute. Oh, I didn't mention about the strap yet. So the strap is like this, where it's it kind of reminds me of the Chanel reissue kind of strap. It's just chain woven, and then I guess you can actually remove the chain because it's got like this little hook, so you can take the chain off completely and then just use it as like a top handle bag like this, which I think is really cute. I've actually always wanted a Valentino rock stud bag, which has the little tiny studs on it. You guys know that I am like gravitating towards more of like an edgier style, so I just think that these studs are so like, you know, rocker. All right, and I did want to share with you guys what this bag does look like on me. I am 5'3", but as you can see right now, I'm quite large because I'm pregnant. But this is what the bag looks like. I think this is a little bit smaller than the Chanel 19 in like the small size, which is what I was comparing it to. You can wear this bag a couple of different ways. So this one is on the shoulder. And then of course you can always do it a crossbody bag style, which I think is super cute as well. And then you can easily double chain it, which I really love because with the Chanel 19 bag, you actually cannot wear it this way. The strap on that one is not really adjustable at all. I think it actually looks really, really cute like this, especially because it's like a flat bag style. It does give me like the Chanel vibe still, but it's a little bit more like unique and different. And then of course, since it does come with like this giant top handle thing, you can wear it like this. I've also seen a lot of people like to carry it like this, and this kind of becomes like a bracelet kind of strap, which I think is super cute as well. I know a lot of people aren't going to be a fan of the like bigger studs, but I personally think it's really, really cool. I know in the past that I've tended to avoid bags that aren't like really classic, but I figure with this one, since the price wasn't too crazy or anything, especially since I bought it secondhand, it's fun to give like trendier styles a try sometimes. But yeah, that was it for my unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of this bag. Should I keep it? Should I return it? Please also don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. They are having their buy one get one 40% off sale for Mother's Day. I will leave the link in the description box down below. And please don't forget, if you do want to follow me into my day-to-day life and life with the baby, you can always check my Instagram for updates or watch out for my baby related videos coming on Wednesdays. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you later. Bye!